Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today's lesson is going to be on fi'lul mudari, which is the present and future tense verb. So we've learned before about the past tense verb, which is called fi'lul madi. So fi'lul madi is the past tense verb. So we have dhahaba, he went. And present and future tense verb, which is known as fi'lul mudari, it will become yadhhabu, he is going or he will go. So it is important to note that fi'al al-mudari is derived from fi'al al-madi. You can see that the same root words, letters that are here in fi'al al-madi are used in fi'al al-mudari. The, ha, ba. So you can see the same the, ha, ba, but with different vowel signs. So the first letter changes and the vowel signs change, but the same root letters exist, which are there in fi'al al-madi comes to fi'al al-mudari. And it is also important to note that fi'al al-mudari contains both present and future tense. So optionally a particle of future can be prefixed, just like how a ya has been prefixed here to make it future tense only. We will learn that later. So let's look at how the fi'al al-madi and the fi'al al-mudari looks like when we conjugate dhahaba yadhabu. So for the huwa pronoun he, we have dhahaba, he went. Yadhabna, he is going. Huma, dhahaba, they both went. Yadhabani, they both are going. Hum, dhahabu, they all are going. They all went. Male. Yadhabuna, they all are going. Then here, she, dhahabat, she went. Tadhabu, she is going. Huma, dhahabata, they both are going. They both went. Female. Tadhabani, they both are going. Hunna, dhahabna, they all went. Yadhabna, they all are going. Anta, dhahabta, you went. Tadhabu, you are going. Dhahabtuma, you both went. Tadhabani, you both are going. Dhahabtum, you all went. Tadhabuna, you all are going. Anti, dhahabti, you went. Tadhabina, you all are going. You are going. Antuma, dhahabtuma, you both went. Tadhabani, you both are going. Antunna, dhahabtunna, you all went. Tadhabna, you all are going. Ana, dhahabtu, I went. Adhabu, I am going. Nahnu, dhahabna, we went. Nadhabu, we are going. So we have categories of three-letter verbs. So all three-letter verbs have their root letters. So it is divided into fa kalima, which is the first radical, then ain kalima, which is the second radical, and then we have the lam kalima, which is the third radical. So according to how the vowel on the ain kalima changes when the verb transforms from fi'al al-madi to fi'al al-mudari, it has been categorized as follows. So it is also important to note before that the lam kalima, the fatha on the lam kalima always changes to dhamma when it changes from madi to mudari. And the fa kalima, the fatha on it changes to sukun always when it changes from madi to mudari. But the ain kalima is not always the same. So that is why it has been categorized into different babs. So we have bab fataha, where the ain kalima remains the same. The vowel of the ain kalima remains fatha. So we can see here, we have fataha, which changes to yaftahu. So it is the same thing. Then we have bab dharaba, where the vowel on the ain kalima changes to kasara when it changes to mudari. So dharaba becomes yadribu. Then we have bab nasara, where the ain kalima, the vowel on the ain kalima changes to dhamma. So nasara becomes yansuru. Then we have bab sami'a, where in Madi, the vowel on the Ain Kalima is Kasra, but in Mudari it is Fatha. So Sami'a becomes Yasma'u. Then Bab Hasiba also is where in Fi'al al-Madi, the vowel on the Ain Kalima is Kasra, and in Mudari also it remains Kasra. So Hasiba becomes Yahsibu. And Bab Karuma is where in Madi the vowel on the Ain Kalima is Dhamma, and even in Mudari also it remains Dhamma. So Karuma becomes Yakrumu.